Good to see you guys. My name is Kazama Moridi, and in this video, I'm going to help you to learn navigation between screens using a simple navigator in Flutter. In order to do that, I create a simple app and remove everything from the main.dart and only remains simple functions and a stateless widget which has a main ethereal app as a uh, roots of the widgets. And pass a stateless widget, which is a simple scaffold, an app bar, and a button. And for second screen, which is again the same as first one. As you see, this is the first screen, and nothing more, and there is nothing too complex about it. I'm going to try to navigate to second screen using this navigation button. Okay, let's go and take a look at the second screen. I want to make it possible to navigate to the second screen using this one. In order to do that, we can use navigator in a Flutter, which has a function called push. Okay, which take a context and a material page route builder, which again takes a context and return a widget. Okay, which is going to be a second screen, and that's it. As you see, if I click over here, it would be go to the second screen. It's super easy, and there's no need to use roots. And if you want to go back to the first screen, we can directly use navigator dot pop, which would remove um, the screens that are top of the tree by clicking by using pop. As you see, we go to the second screen and return to the first screen by using two buttons. I think that's enough for a simple navigation between two screens. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please consider leaving a like or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Happy coding!